capital of New Mexico?
Says the bottom.
What's the capital of New Mexico?
Santa Fe.
Santa Fe. What is the capital of Oregon?
Salem.
Salem. Excellent. What's the capital of Texas?
Austin.
Very good. Austin. What's the capital of North Dakota?
Bismarck.
Bismarck. You are correct. That's very good.
Russia.
What's the capital of Russia?
Moscow.
Moscow. What is the capital
Again?
of Arizona?
Again?
Sure.
Okay.
What's the capital of Arizona?
I'll help you?
I am helping you. What's the capital of Arizona?
I'll help you?
I am helping you.
Oh,
Oh, you want to look at the picture? But then you can't see yourself, silly.
again?
Again?
Sure.
Do you know the capital of Arizona?
Phoenix.
Phoenix. You're right. It is Phoenix.
Very good.
Very good.
Good.
What are you eating? Are you eating dinner? Did you have fun today? You're not answering any of my questions. Let's talk to Maddie here. Maddie, right near the vacuum cord. Good. Because Mommy has to vacuum 50 times a day still, even though the dogs don't live in the house anymore.
Hi, Maddie.
That is Maddie. Hi, Aiden.
Hi, Aiden.
Hi, Aiden. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh, you're such a happy guy. Who's such a happy guy? Who's such a happy guy? Oh, Aiden, you're so precious.
We called him a special guy today. He laughed.
Are you such a special guy? Are you a special guy?
Did you do it again?
Oh, Maddie, are you special goose? Hi. Hi.